Krista is placing a collar on Pablo's neck.
Don't want it on your
Not your most typical collar, though.
Okay.
This is a collar that is for
Shocks
dogs.
Ugh.
Okay, so
He's a
he's going to
man.
get shocked, the shock of his life.
Okay.
Well, we're going to wait, though. We're going
Here
to
we
do this
go,
in
level-
stages.
Level one.
Level one.
Level one.
Okay.
Roof. Nothing.
Nothing. Ooh, he thinks he's cool.
He's tough.
All right, so he's a cool guy, and with his cigarette in his hand, he's
Level
happy.
two. Roof, roof.
Okay, yeah, a little bit.
Little bit?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay, level
Okay, we're
three.
waiting for three. Three.
Roof, roof.
Okay, we are going to 10. We are looking for 10. So we're at 3.
Level 4.
Level 4.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, shit.
Oh
Okay.
You got it, you got
my
it.
Boost
god.
that bitch up to level 6.
Wait. Can you
No,
do
wait, no,
three
we're
again?
doing
You're
5.
gonna
5,
like-
5,
Level
5.
5. Oh. Alright, level 6.
6.
Bring it on. Level 6.
And we're waiting.
Nothing.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. Is the
That's
battery
right.
going?
He's got a tolerance. He's got a
That's right.
tolerance.
Level 7.
7. Roof. Ooh.
You got it? Okay. Drink before 8.
Alright, hold on. Bring it on. Level 8. Level 8. Okay. Okay.
Held it too long.
Whoa.
Okay, are you
That
done?
was 10.
Okay, he skipped. He skipped and cheated. That's why that looks so inferior.
No, bring it on. Level 10.
Level 10.
Level 10. 1, 2, 3.